To get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook, and I'm going to show you with a sample of a chain 10, but you can do any chain count for this type of stitch. So once you have your desired chain count, then you're going to yarn over yarn over as though you're going to half double crochet, and in the third chain from the hook, insert your hook, grab the yarn, draw up your loop, and then yarn over, and then into the next chain you're going to insert your hook and draw up your loop, and then you have 5 loops on the hook, and to complete the cluster you're going to yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And that's how you start the half double crochet cluster stitch. Then you're going to yarn over, and in the same stitch you're going to insert your hook. So that same stitch you just worked from, insert your hook, and then you're going to grab that yarn and draw up the loop. Don't complete the stitch because you're going to go into the next chain, draw up the loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. And you're going to just keep repeating that until you get to the end to complete your half double crochet cluster. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, insert into the next chain, grab the yarn, draw up your loop. You have 5 loops on your hook, and then pull through all 5 loops. So you're always going back into that same stitch for the next stitch. So go back into that same stitch, so yarn over, insert your hook, and then yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn and draw up the loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. Repeat that until you get to the end. So insert your hook and then draw up the loop, and then yarn over and draw through all 5 loops. And so you're going back into that stitch, and then you're going to the next chain. And that's the pattern. The link for this pattern is listed down below if you need written instructions. Okay, you're at the end here, so you're going to complete by drawing through all 5 loops, and then you're going to chain 2. It's going to look like this here. Then chain 2, and then turn your work. To start the next row, the space that is right below the chain 2, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook right into that space. So they're going to be right on top of each other. So right below the chain 2, insert your hook, grab the yarn, draw up your loop, and then yarn over, and then in the next stitch, insert your hook, draw up the loop, and then yarn over and draw through all 5 loops. Make sure there's 5 loops. And then yarn over and repeat again. You're going to insert your hook into the same stitch you were working from, grab the yarn, draw up your loop, then yarn over, insert into the next stitch, draw up the loop, then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops, and then just repeat that across. So you're just going to keep repeating, and then yarn over through all 5 loops. So yarn over, insert into the same stitch you were working from, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, draw up your loop, pull through all loops on the hook, and repeat that until the end. Okay, you're at the end here. You're going to yarn over, insert into the same stitch you're working from, draw up your loop, and then the 2 stitches that are right there at the end, you're going to draw up those loops, and then yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Make sure at the end that you go through those last 2 stitches to complete so it's even. Then chain 2, and then just repeat right below the chain 2, insert your hook, draw up your loops, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, draw up your loop, yarn over, and pull through all 5 loops. And just repeat that across, and that's the pattern. You'll just keep repeating it until you have your desired length that you prefer. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.